Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete photos from Vistaprint. Okay, so first up, go and log into your Vistaprint account at vistaprint.com. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and open up any project. Okay, just go to the top right and click on projects right here, or my projects. Now, once that's done, you can go ahead over to the left panel. You can either click on brand kit right here or my uploads. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you right here my uploads. I'm going to right click on it and hit on open link in a new tab so that we can compare. Okay, here you have your uploads, and then I'm going to click on edit right here to open up a project. Okay, open link in a new tab. So this one is project inside the Vistaprint Studio, and this is under my account, my uploads. Okay, as you can see here, under my uploads, when you click on an image, you have the delete button right here at the very bottom. So just click on it. There'll be a pop-up. Are you sure you want to delete your upload? If you're sure, just click on delete and it will be gone in a moment. As you can see, another one, delete, delete. Now, under the studio, you can go ahead and go to images right here in the left panel. Now just hover your mouse onto an image, and as you can see, you have the delete button at the top of the image. Just click on it, and again, there will be a prompt. Are you sure you want to delete this image? Just click on delete, wait for it, and once done, it's gone. That's how you delete photos here on Vistaprint. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.